Hi there! Today we are printing a frog for the daughter of a friend of mine. So let's get started. As you have seen in the time-lapse, it's a multicolored frog. I used the Palette Plus on the Prusa MK2 to print this. So, here is the end result. As you can see, it's a nice green frog with some yellow eyes, a red eyeball and red stripes on his back. The daughter of that friend of mine really loves frogs and I promised her to print one for her birthday, so here it is. It came out great. I think the quality could have been a bit better. It's a bit under extrude and there's a bit of damage at the tail, but in general it's a really nice print. Of course, with the palette you also get a perch block. And my palette is not calibrated perfectly yet. I really need to have a very long perch distance, and I think it's currently set at 160 millimeters, which is a really long time. So there's more filament within the perch block as within the frog. And with this small kind of models, you really need to print actually more models at once to get full use of your filament. I only needed one, so I didn't want to do that, but yeah, next time I probably will. Yeah, the quality of the frog is really nice. I think it printed in 200 micron and I think at 70 millimeters a second. It's a bit translucent filament and due to that you can see most of the print lines. I don't really mind and she probably doesn't tell you there. Total printing time was around 5 hours, so that's really nice for this kind of model. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching and hopefully see you next time. Bye.
So, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And please like this video, it helps the channel a lot. If you want to watch another video, please click here.